The Jamaica Racing Commission JRC, regulators of horse racing in Jamaica, will be making a trip to St. Elizabeth on the weekend to deliver much-needed essential supplies to residents affected by Hurricane Melissa. Denise Walters tells us more.
Director of Finance and Administration at the JRC, Cavell Mitchell Buckley, says the regulators saw the need to give back as fellow Jamaicans were hurting and in need following the devastation Hurricane Melissa left in its wake.
Our team at JRC, through its outreach program, and in addition to support that we have received from sponsors, decided that we're going to launch a relief effort in aiding our brothers and sisters. So we're going to be distributing non-perishable food items. We're also going to be distributing bottled waters, toiletries, clothing, and more.
Additionally, Mitchell Buckley says outside of food supplies, other necessities will be provided.
Yes, we are also considering our females and our younger children, so stuff like sanitary napkins, diapers, wipes, etc. We are also including those in our packages.
The care packages will be delivered in South St. Elizabeth.
Currently, we are looking to reach out to 100 on Saturday when we go down. But this is not a one-off effort. We are planning to go back. As long as we have supplies lasting, we will go back and give.
Meanwhile, Director of Racing Antoine Nemard says every department from the JRC has offered assistance.
All the members of the JRC from every department will be participating in this initiative. Just about every department in the JRC has found it fit to offer their time to make the initiative a successful one.
And Nemard hinted at other outreach beyond food and essential supplies.
We definitely will be looking into any initiative that the financing and the budget may give some possibility to, Mrs. Buckley, for assistance beyond what you're seeing here today.
The JRC says persons in and around the industry or in general willing to support in giving back to those affected can reach out at the JRC's headquarters at the Big Bay Plaza in Portmore St. Catherine, email kbuckley@jrc.gov.jm or call 876-383-1001. Denise Walters for TVG Sports.